what sound does a horse make?
What sound does a horse make, Ashley?
Ask her now. We have a horse in the back of our car.
Hey,
What
Ashley,
should we do?
what sound does a jaguar make?
Oh, good one.
What sound does a bear make? What sound does a dinosaur make? Very similar to a bear. It's true. Ashley, where are we going right now?
Church.
Do you like church?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part of church? Pink. Wow.
Everything pink.
That's cool. I didn't know they had a pink room.
Purple.
Oh, purple.
Oh,
of
purple.
course.
Favorite color, maybe.
Oh.
Hmm.
Blue. No, blue.
Oh, blue. Oh, no, blue.
There's just so many colors.
I know it's hard to decide. Hey, Ashley, what sound does a monkey make? Whoa. What about
A gorilla.
Oh, gorilla.
What does a gorilla do?
Ooh, ooh, she's beating her chest. That's good, Ash.
What does a puppy say? How about a kitty? What does a bird say? What does a harpy eagle say? Yeah, that's pretty close. What does a marmoset say?
What does a marmoset say?
Let's find out. What's a marmoset say? Oh, they're
Yes.
grumpy little animals, aren't they? Ashley, what's my name?
Daddy.
What's her name?
Her name is Mommy.
What's his name?
Her name is Amasito.
Amasito?
What's your name?
My name is Ashley.
Oh, good. All right, can you say bye-bye? See you next time?
Till next time, Mom, you.
All right, say love you guys.
Love you guys.
Okay, bye-bye.